Yeah, thank you very much for coming to interview me. And I've seen the video where Dr. Tony Aziegbemi, the so-called Edo State PDP chairman, calling His Excellency Barrister Wike a bedroom dictator. I laugh because Dr. Aziegbeni is a worse dictator than Wike that is calling a dictator. That is if Wike, not conceding but assuming Wike is a dictator. Aziegbeni is a worse dictator. And I'll tell you why, because I know you want to ask me why. This is, to me, a situation whereby pot is calling kettle black. And I'll tell you why I'm saying so. I have my own personal experience. Other people may have their own. Why I said Dr. Aziegbeni calling Wike a bedroom dictator is a situation whereby the pot is calling kettle black. Let me say this before I tell you my experience, that Dr. Aziegbeni does not have the moral right at all to call Wike a bedroom dictator. Now, I'll tell you my experience. In 2024, during the Edo State PDP gubernatorial primaries, on the Saturday 3rd and Sunday 4th of February 2024, was among those appointed to supervise and collate the result of the delegate congress in Akukwo Edo local government area of Edo State. And we were told that the state chairman, that is the person of Dr. Tony Aziegbemi, has collected the letter from Abuja, so we don't need to come to the National Secretariat to pick our appointment letter, that we should all go to Edo State. We say it's an assignment given to us by the party. I went to Edo State. Getting there, we're preparing to move to Akukwo Edo, and I was told it's about 3-4 hours journey. So there was no letter for us to go. I walked straight to the chairman's office, the person of Dr. Tony Aziegbemi. And I asked him, sir, we left Abuja. Abuja told us that you have collected the appointment letter. And we're here. You want to dispatch us to our various local government. And I'm going to Akukwo Edo, and I'm told that it's about 4 hours from the Edo State PDP Secretariat. And we don't have letter. How will I go there to identify myself? And he was like, why am I bothering him about the letter? I said, no, the letter is not your property. It's my property. It's my name that is on that appointment letter. So let me have it. Otherwise, I'll not go to that Akukwo Edo. And I'll mobilize my team members not to go. Unfortunately, the team leader was not around. So I assumed the position of the team leader, being the number 2 person on the list, the second person on the list. And I told him that. The next thing, Dr. Aziegbeni is the one that is accusing Wike. Let me tell you what he did. He asked me, who are you? I said, sir, you don't have the right to ask me who am I. I'm a member of PDP, and PDP sent me on national assignment to your state. So you don't need to ask me who am I and where am I from. But not to sound too, kind of aggressive, told him my name and said I'm from Rivers State. He said, hey, yes, those are those Wike people. Okay, it's like I've seen your face defending Wike. You have Wike people. I said I should walk out of his office. I said, it's your office. It's not my office. I'll leave your office. But one thing is certain. If I don't get my letter, I will not go to Akukwo Edo. And whatever, I will write a report to the National Secretariat, whatever that emanate from there. And he said, I should walk out, I should go out, get out, that they are coming. I said, before we leave there, before I leave that Edo State Secretariat, PDP Secretariat, I must have my letter in my hand. And I went down, after he asked me to leave his office, I met some of my members, and I told them, look at what happened in the chairman's office. And today is with us. Then he was not with us. The Deputy National Youth Leader, then Mr. Osadolo, walked into the office. After I left, everything material ought to be handed over to me being that my team leader was not around and I'm the next person, kind of the deputy team leader, he did not do that. He now went and looked for somebody. The dictator, Dr. Aziegbemi, the dictator, now gave it to someone else that is not even a member of my team. That is the person that is opening his mouth to say that Wike is a dictator. That man, Dr. Aziegbemi, is a boardroom and office dictator. And I probed into it that I'm supposed to hold the materials. He said, no, that is the person sat in his office, dictated why I should not be the team lead. After the national has given me that responsibility, he gave it to somebody that I did not even know. That same person is calling Wike a bedroom dictator. If Wike is a bedroom dictator, he is an office room dictator, a boardroom dictator. He doesn't have any moral right to call Wike a dictator. Let me assume, not conceding though, that Wike is a dictator. He does not have the moral right to call Wike a dictator. Because if Wike is a bedroom dictator, he is a boardroom dictator, office dictator. Somebody else should do that, not him. He doesn't have that moral. I've just given you, listen, this is my appointment letter. This is my appointment letter. Look at it. My name is the second name. It denied me, did not allow me to handle the materials. But out of appeal from my committee members and other persons, I said, okay, I went to the Akoko Edo after I've gotten my letter. But I had something in mind to do. They pleaded with me. And that's why I kept quiet. If I would have written a letter, a report against him and against Akoko Edo Congress, that he has a ulterior motive to have sidelined me based on the fact that I'm the deputy team lead. What do you call such a person? He's not a dictator. Call him office dictator or boardroom dictator, whatever, is a dictator. So he doesn't have the moral right to call another person a dictator. That is what I want to make clear. If at all he's a dictator, you are worse than him. I've had an experience, first-hand experience. I knew how you treated me. Your hatred for Wike, you gave me a share of it, that I'm defending him. And I'm from Rivers State. Alone, you wanted to embarrass me, but you ended up embarrassing yourself. So, my brother, that is my experience. So that's why I was saying that Pot is calling Kettle black. That he doesn't have any moral ground to call Wike a bedroom dictator. Saying that Wike is a bedroom dictator. It's a shame. And I want to totally condemn that statement and ask Nigerians to disregard the statement of Dr. Aziegbemi that he is a worse dictator. If Wike is a dictator at all, it's a worse one. Thank you very much.